Belt and Road should become a project of new relations, building the new and future relations of the European Union with Asia and of course with China. Greece plays a role because we are a small country, but we are one country that has worked closely with China for many years. Greece and China, as ancient cultures, have a lot not only to give to each other, but give to the world.